You want to have this again. You want to have it again, and again.
Tell me the truth. Do I look like I'm stupid?
I'm in big trouble.
Your sister and your husband share this mutual bond they are hiding from you.
Whatever happened between us was a mistake.
Shola, what more do these men want? Am I not good enough for you?
Send her away, let me treat you like the king that you are.
Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth.
What did you tell my wife?
Go and fix it.
How could you?
I have come to the conclusion that you are heartlessly ungrateful and you have no respect for tradition.
You don't want a house and you do not want to go to London. So what do you want?
I'll kill and bury you.
Frank,
Yes!
you will kill me.
I will kill you.
Try it.
When I said that I was going to cut your trophy, I wasn't joking.
What do you want from me?
I want an SUV. A brand new SUV. That's what I want.
Oh!